In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows script host error on Windows 11 startup. So step one, you just have to simply go to the search menu or search icon and then type Windows Security, click open. And then what you're going to do here is to tap virus and threat protection. Tap this one. Now click quick scan. Okay. If you can see full scan, you can also click full scan. So that's the very first thing. So after that, you can now proceed to step two. So step two is go to the search icon or menu again, and then kindly type run, click open, and then type shell colon startup, and then click OK. So once you tap this one, you will see a folder. And
Now,
if you see any files here, what you're going to do is to click delete, okay? Because it's somehow one of the reasons why this problem occurs. Step three, go to registry editor, and then here, go to H key lower machine, and then go to software. Now go to Microsoft, and then after you tap Microsoft, you have to scroll down and look for Windows script host. Okay, tap this one here. Now after that, go to settings, and then this one, right, all of this, it should set to 1. If not, then you can simply right click and then type new task, for example, enable, and then change it into value 1. Step 4, go to command prompt and then kindly type sfc space slash scan now. And by doing this, it will somehow detect any problem that is related to script host error on your Windows 11. So I'd really hope that after doing this or any of these methods, it will somehow fix the problem. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.